My dear brothers and sisters, I'd like to say a few words about our alive organic walnut butter. We make it here in Berkeley, California, an epicenter of creativity and innovation. It's produced from alive organic walnut meats grown by Jeff Ferrari, a California family farmer. His ranch is located about 50 miles south of Sacramento in California's Great Central Valley. He has over 30,000 trees and produces, imagine, over 600,000 pounds of walnut meats each year, and they are truly magnificent. And we take these walnut meats and we slice them into alive, organic walnut butter. Use it as a topping on cereals. Mix it in with your granola. Use it as a topping on pies and on casseroles. Another thing that you can do is to take these walnut meats and put them in a nut and seed grinder. And here you have a golden topping. Sprinkle it on your green smoothies. Sprinkle it on your puddings and desserts. It goes so well with everything. And recall that walnuts are rich in nutrients and they deliver healthy fats. My privilege, brothers and sisters, to call this to your attention. Think of our alive organic walnut butter and let us go forward. My privilege to share. Your comments and suggestions are always so welcome. Thank you kindly indeed.